Solution 1. Using Get Info. Open Finder and locate the file. Right-click on the file and select Get Info. In the information window that appears, find the Where field. Copy the path shown in the Where field and paste it wherever needed. Solution 2. Using Terminal. Launch Terminal from Applications, Utilities. Drag the file or folder from Finder into the Terminal window. This action automatically inserts the full file path into the terminal. Solution 3. Use Contextual menu. Right-click or Control-click the file in Finder. Hold the Option key. Select Copy As. Paste the copied path where needed. Here is a free tool that can help you sync important files on your Mac. It can keep your files secure and well managed. Now I will show you how to use it. If you think it's useful later, please hit the link in the description. Open the program and start by clicking New Task. Choose the type of synchronization you need. For most cases, Basic Sync will be adequate. Select the source folder you want to sync and the destination folder where the files will be copied. Adjust the schedule and other options according to your preferences. Additionally, you can set specific start times and options to hibernate or shut down after the sync is complete. In the option settings, you can customize file and folder inclusions and exclusions, tailoring the sync process to your specific needs. Click Sync to begin the process and wait for it to complete. Thanks for watching till here. I'll see you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave comments or email us.